So what AimBetter has done is it's allowed us with some of our customers to identify exactly what the problems were and to solve them very quickly and very easily. So for example, we've had a customer who the system was slow. They just were really struggling to use the system. Staff were threatening to leave because it was that bad for their working day. And it turned out the problem was a hard disk failing, not something that we would never have probably figured out with the tools that we had before. And AimBetter helped to identify that problem, and then the IT department could go and switch the hard drives out, and the customer was happy. Yeah. All of our customers are using an SQL database. So that's exactly what it does. It allows us to be proactive, to answer problems and figure out what the issues are quickly and easily. We started the company in November 2001, which means we're about 21 years old. We implement, support, maintain, and install the Priority ERP solution. So our customer base is very, very varied. We have customers ranging from 5 users up to customers ranging to 100, 150 users. They're mainly SME companies, and they range across many, many different vertical markets. So we've got food manufacturers, we've got companies that build cars, companies that do electronic components, we've got companies that make diving suits. So it's such a very, very vast range. All of those customers are using the Priority ERP, which sits on a SQL database. The SQL database holds data for each of the companies, so they can have different environments that they work in, but they're all held on that same SQL database at an enterprise level. So our customers would come to us with queries about their system. We were getting strange error messages, or the system was slow for some users, for all users, and really that was a bit of a stopping point for us. We know a lot about the Priority system and about how to maintain and look after that, but when it gets to the server side, it's a little bit harder to work out exactly where the problems are. So that's why we looked at the AimBetter solution. Okay, so previously we would do things like use the Windows task managers, look at the services that are running. Just my support team would do that. In addition, we could talk to a DBA and get them to actually look at the database itself, find out why it was slow, and we generally just pay for that on an ad hoc basis. It allows us to quickly identify what the issue actually is with minimum downtime for the customer. Very easy for us to install it. It's very quick for us to decide that we want to put the software on that customer and to see what the issue is. It allows us as a reseller to see all of our different clients and how their systems are behaving, so that we can look at all of them on one screen and snapshot, and every morning give them an update and proactively deal with their problems before they know they happen.